Want to build lean muscle and get stronger? Whether you're a seasoned athlete or just starting your fitness journey, the right nutrition is key to achieving your goals. These high-protein foods will help you achieve your fitness goals faster than ever. Incorporating them into your diet can make a significant difference in your performance and recovery. Protein is the building block of muscle. It's essential for repairing and building muscle tissue. Without adequate protein, your muscles can't recover properly, which can hinder your progress. In this video, I'm sharing my top 10 high-protein foods to help you maximize muscle growth and recovery. From classic chicken breast to plant-based powerhouses like lentils and edamame, which are perfect for vegetarians and vegans looking to boost their protein intake, we've got something for everyone. No matter your dietary preferences, there's a high-protein option that can fit seamlessly into your lifestyle. Get ready to level up your nutrition and see amazing results. Let's dive into the world of protein-packed goodness. First up, we've got the classic muscle-building food chicken breast. This lean meat has been a favorite among bodybuilders and fitness enthusiasts for decades, and for good reason. This lean protein is a staple in any fitness enthusiast's diet. It's not just about the protein. Chicken breast is also low in fat, making it an excellent choice for those looking to build muscle without adding extra calories. Just a single 3-ounce serving packs 26 grams of protein, making it an efficient way to fuel your muscles. Plus, it's rich in essential amino acids, which are crucial for muscle repair and growth. It's also incredibly versatile. Grill it, bake it, stir-fry it. The possibilities are endless. If you're tired of chicken, try switching it up with turkey breast for a different flavor profile. Turkey breast offers similar nutritional benefits and can be prepared in many of the same ways, giving you variety without sacrificing your muscle-building goals. Next up is Greek yogurt. This versatile dairy product is not only delicious but also incredibly nutritious. This creamy delight is packed with protein and gut-healthy probiotics. Whether you enjoy it plain or with a variety of toppings, Greek yogurt is a fantastic addition to your diet. We're talking about 20 grams of protein per cup, making it an ideal post-workout snack. After a tough workout, your body needs to repair those micro-tears in your muscles. Consuming Greek yogurt can provide the necessary protein to aid in this repair process. Probiotics help improve gut health, aiding nutrient absorption, including that precious protein. A healthy gut ensures that your body can effectively utilize the nutrients you consume. Let's talk about eggs. These nutritional powerhouses are a complete protein source, containing all 9 essential amino acids. 2 large eggs provide about 13 grams of protein, making them a fantastic breakfast option or quick snack. Eggs are also packed with choline for brain health and vitamin D for calcium absorption. Cottage cheese is a fantastic option for muscle building and recovery, thanks to its high casein protein content. Casein protein is slow digesting, providing a sustained release of amino acids, ideal for nighttime snacking. 1 cup of low-fat cottage cheese provides around 28 grams of protein. It keeps you feeling fuller for longer, reducing cravings and snacking throughout the day. Tuna is a fantastic source of lean protein and heart-healthy omega-3 fatty acids. A 3-ounce serving of canned tuna provides around 20 grams of protein. Tuna is also an excellent source of omega-3s, which reduce inflammation and improve heart health. Add tuna to salads, sandwiches, or enjoy it straight out of the can with a bit of seasoning. Quinoa is a complete protein source containing all 9 essential amino acids. 1 cup of cooked quinoa provides 8 grams of protein, making it a great option for vegetarians and vegans. Quinoa is also a good source of fiber, iron, and magnesium. Use quinoa as a base for salads, stir-fries, or breakfast porridge. Lentils are packed with protein and fiber, making them a fantastic option for muscle fuel and digestive health. 1 cup of cooked lentils provides 18 grams of protein and 16 grams of fiber. Lentils are incredibly affordable and versatile. Add them to soups, stews, or salads. Stock up on lentils for a budget-friendly, nutritious option. Almonds are a fantastic source of protein, healthy fats, and fiber. A handful of almonds provides around 6 grams of protein and a healthy dose of monounsaturated fats. Almonds are packed with vitamin E, an antioxidant that protects your cells. Reach for a handful of almonds instead of processed snacks for a healthy option. Edamame is a fantastic source of plant-based protein and essential amino acids. 1 cup of shelled edamame provides around 17 grams of protein. Edamame is incredibly versatile and easy to prepare. Enjoy it steamed, roasted, or in salads. Give edamame a try for a delicious and nutritious way to fuel your muscles. Protein powder is a convenient supplement to meet your daily protein needs. There are various types available, including whey, casein, soy, and plant-based blends. Choose a high-quality product that's low in sugar and artificial ingredients. Remember, protein powder is meant to supplement a healthy diet, not replace whole food sources. There you have it, my top 10 high-protein foods to help you build lean muscle and recover faster. Start incorporating these protein powerhouses into your daily diet and see the difference. Experiment in the kitchen, try new recipes, and find what works best for you. If you enjoyed these tips, like, subscribe, and share this video. Fuel your body right and watch your muscles grow.